In today's video, I will teach you how to create a product packaging design in PicMonkey. Let's get started. Before you begin designing your graphic packaging, you should consider the core of your product and brand, the preferences of your target clients, and how you want to organize your product information. First things first, establish your brand's identity. The way that you package your goods is directly entwined with your brand. Because it is the most visible element of your company, it should accurately represent what your product is all about. Second is add unique graphics. Graphics are one method to represent your brand, and PicMonkey provides plenty of them. We'll explore PicMonkey's graphics later. Third is choose your brand font. Font selection is one approach to representing your brand. Most well-known brands and companies can be easily identified by just looking at the font of their logo or brand. And lastly, appeal to your intended demographic. Picture your product sitting in your target customer's house, on their nightstand, or in their hands. Is it appropriate for their age, gender, personality, economic level, and life goals? If you can capture the essence of your ideal customer in the design of your product packaging, you'll be one step closer to closing a sale. To finally create your own product packaging design, you need to start with a canvas of your preferred size. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Blank Canvas. Here, you can choose from a wide variety of canvas size presets for every social media post and prints. You can also input your custom size at the upper right corner of the panel if you have a specific size in mind. Now, simply click the Make It button to open your blank canvas in the editor. Once your canvas is open, it's time to make your product packaging design. Go to the sidebar, open the Graphics tab, and browse through PicMonkey's neatly categorized graphics elements. But if you would like to narrow down your choices, simply type in the keyword related to the graphics element that you would like to find. To customize your graphics according to your brand colors, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit. And a new set of editing tools will appear on the sidebar. Here, you have the option to change the color of the element and even turn it into a gradient. You also have the option to add shadows and outline and fill your graphics element with an image. With the eraser option, you can also delete certain parts of your graphics. If you're planning on combining multiple graphics elements to make your own, especially if you're making a monogram or logo, make sure that all the layers are arranged accordingly. To manage your layers, go to the Layers panel at the right side of the editor. If the panel is not visible, simply go to the lower right side of the editor and click on the stack icon to open the Layers panel. Now, here are the layers that we have on the canvas. Take note that the top layers are going to be at the foreground of your design. When you add an element, it will initially appear on top of every layer. So if you wish to keep your newly added element in the background or somewhere in the middle, you can simply drag it down and decide which place to put it depending on your design. Now, the bottommost layers are going to be in the background of your design. To add text to your design, go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. Now, you can either use one of PicMonkey's customizable text presets, or you can add your own text box. All the tools that you need to customize your text will be at the sidebar as well. And lastly, to upload your own images to PicMonkey, simply go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can use PicMonkey stock images, or you can upload your own image. Now, just play around with your design until you're satisfied. Now you know how to make product packaging design in PicMonkey. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.